So guys, as you all know, when we are using detection, anyone can answer here. When we will start using detection?
After prevention.
After after prevention. After
Yes,
prevention, we will be using detection, and then
Yes, sir.
response,
Response.
and then analysis.
and then
Then analysis. Analysis.
so remember one thing, when we are using detection, when the prevention will become fail,
Fail.
when prevention will become fail, then we will be using detection, right? And these all are nothing but these all are the phase of security life cycle, right? And we have completed prevention successfully. Now we are moving into the second part, which is detection. So by the name, as you understand, detection, and what all are the agenda, what all are the topics we are going to cover here. So as you can see, uh, so first of all, under the detection, the first thing, you will be using some tool which will identify the threat, identify the threat and identify the threat, and after that you will apply the countermeasure. You will apply the countermeasure or measure. You will apply the countermeasure. Countermeasure means once prevention will fail, let's say threat will come into your system, for example. So you will first of all identify the threat, what type of threat it is, and after that you will apply the countermeasure. So there are three, or you can say so many tools generally we are using for detection. Let's say one tool comes as a IPS, IDS, right? And second is your firewall, and third one is your antivirus. So this IPS, IPS stand for Intrusion Prevention System, and IDS stand for Intrusion Detection System. So we are going to understand the detection system. So for example, let's say this is internet, and this is your IDS, and here it is your inside of the company. This is the inside of the company, inside. So now if any threat will come from the internet, and if it will enter, or if it will try to even enter into this inside the organization or company, then this IDS will detect first of all what exactly the threat it is, and after that it will send one alert. It will send one alert to the inside organization, like some threat is coming, like that. It is having multiple method to detect, that we will be learning into the same. So this is how it will detect, and it will give the alert. Like the same, firewall will also work. Your antivirus also you will be installing, so that inside the antivirus you will be having digital signature. Digital signature means the information about the virus, or information about the malware. So it will match, and after that it will detect and it will remove. So overall, if I'll tell you what we are going to see, how the antivirus software will detect the threat, how your IDS works, and what we are going to see under the GuardDuty. Along with that, we will be working on the firewall of AWS. So here we go. And these all are the four phase of security life cycle. Phase number one, prevention; second phase, detection; third, response; fourth, analysis. Right now we are learning detection. Under the detection, you will be using antivirus, you will be using IDS, you will be using firewall also. Most of the firewall which we are using now, like firewall appliances, they comes with the IDS IPS, guys. Right. For example, let's say Firepower or Palo Alto. Let's say if I'll just show you here, Palo Alto IDS IPS. See, basically, it will be looking like this, right? So here, if you see, this is your IPS, this is your IDS. We are connecting with the switch, this IDS. In after that, we do have firewall, and then router, and then internet. From internet, traffic will come into the router. From router, it will pass the firewall, and then it will come to the switch. If it is crossing the firewall from the internet, traffic is coming into the router. Router is used to connect your network to the internet. From router, let's say you are bypassing the firewall or somebody has bypassed the firewall, and after that traffic came to the switch, and inside the switch you are connecting the IDS. Now IDS, intrusion detection system, will detect what type of traffic is going into the system. If it will detect any kind of threat, then it will immediately inform the admin, like there is some threat which is about to come, right? IPS we have seen already last time. So let's talk about the antivirus also, how the antivirus work. So guys, antivirus is also a software. Antivirus is also a software, and it is designed to detect the viruses from the systems, the malware from the system. So it is telling us what is malicious software or malware. So basically, malware or malicious software will be creating problem for your computer. It will just cause some harm to your computer. It will interrupt the CIA track. CIA track means either it will interrupt confidentiality or integrity or availability. Any one of it will get compromised by this malware. There are multiple types: worms, bots, ransomware, viruses,